my deputy, I would go with. For my deputy, I'll go with Dorothy.
Somebody said Ozo is behaving like Nigerian men that will go and choose one person and say that's the right person and get married to the person. And then they will in turn go and be cheating with the person that they actually truly love. Like, why do men do that? I'm not the one that said it. It's somebody that said it. Please, the drama that we are expecting this week is going to be priceless, because I think somebody is sitting on a pot of oil and that person is Ozo. Yes. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Philomena in the building. If this is your first time here, you're absolutely welcome. This is a good time to subscribe. If you're a regular viewer, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. So as you know, today they played the HOH challenge and Ozo emerged winner. So the first thing I want to establish is the fact that Nengi was the one who was leading. She got to the point of 23 and she was the highest at some point until Ozo came and he won the HOH challenge. Like, I'm so impressed with Ozo, especially because since the game started for this past 3 weeks, nobody has actually finished. Like, nobody had gotten to the finish line, but Ozo got to the finish line today, and I really commend him for that. So, but immediately after he won and he finished rejoicing, Biggie came and told him that, of course, you know that the burden of choosing one person who is going to be your deputy lies on you, so you have 20 minutes to make your choice. Now, as soon as they left the arena, that's where we started seeing the boy Ozo. You could literally tell that he was in a crossroad. Like, the whole feeling of, should I pick this one? Or, who should I pick? Like, literally, you could see that he was thinking if he should pick Nengi or he should pick Dorothy. Of course, we already know that it's either both of them. But at this point, he was just bowing his head, walking in shame, doing as if he has already done something wrong. So Nyosha called him aside and said, guy, what's up? What's going on? Anything you want to do, make your choice with your chest. You know, was talking to him. Next thing again, also with his restlessness, he walked to where Tolani was talking to Tolani and Erica them. I just don't know why he was seeking validation from people. What do you want people to say to you? It is your choice. Make your choice with your chest. After that time again, he still moved in his space of this 20 minutes that Biggie gave him to be thinking. You know, he went to Miss Nengi and started trying to talk to Nengi. Oh, where is the balm that we used to massage your hand? Nengi said the balm should be somewhere with Prince or somewhere inside. He's like, I'm going to massage your hand later. She said, no, I'll be leg. Don't worry. As he was there talking to Nengi, that's how Biggie just called him. Ozo, please report to the diary room. He got to the diary room. Guys, I was really scared, because no matter who he picks, there is definitely going to be fire on the mountain. That's the truth. Seeing the kind of person that Dorothy is, if it was real G, like my guy, I would understand that you want to be with your girl. In fact, you know those things that boys used to do then, when if you and your guy, in fact, the house is not even your house, but your guy's girlfriend is coming, you just excuse for the girl and your guy to just be together, that kind of thing. That's how it should be if normally. But now this one, the kind of relationship that Ozo and Dorothy has, you have to pick. It's not the one that you're putting me as second. You have to pick. So Ozo got in there, like, he was just rambling, talking to Big Brother. Already was just, you know, you could see that he was letting out his whole heart to Big Brother, that, Biggie, when Nengi won. I don't even know why Nengi does not leave that boy's mouth. Talked about how Nengi was supposed to win. Talked about how he almost lost hope. Talked about how he's happy to win. Moving on, Big and I said, okay, who do you choose as your deputy head of house? It was not like, oh, that he wants to choose from his head, or but he wants to choose from his heart. I said, which one is heart or head? Or God, who have you chosen? He now finally said he has chosen Dorothy. Guys, at this point, I said, oh yeah, fire on the mountain. That's how they came out to the public to now announce the person. And now Big Brother did not even announce it by himself. Big Brother said, Ozo, stand up and tell us who you have nominated to be your deputy head of house. At this point, Dorothy was not even talking to Ozo. She was keeping her face. But after he came out of the house, he had already gone to meet Nengi again. You know, this is what we call betrayal. Like, you literally walked into that room, came out without mentioning my name, and then you are coming to hold hands with me. It was when Big Brother called all of them inside the lounge for him to come and announce who he had picked. He was even holding Nengi's hands for them to walk inside the lounge together. I'm like, why are you doing all these things, Oga? It is obvious that your conscience is pricking you. So you could have just done whatever. If you know, in fact, no matter what he does, his conscience was still going to prick him. Anyways, moving on. That's how they now announced winner. As they announced that it was Dorothy, that's how Dorothy just thing. First of all, expression. Kayode was just showing Dorothy's face and showing Nengi's face. Nengi just smiled, one kind of smile. Like, okay, it's all right. We shall see kind of smile. You know, she just smiled. And then Dorothy said, do you accept? She said, with my chest. You know, she took her chest and accepted the thing. Yes, so please, I take it with my full chest. So there was mixed feeling in the house. Like you could see that it was only Lucy that was just really vocal about her excitement for Dora. The rest housemates, they didn't really know how to do it because they know what is going on, the triangle, the sheep, and whatever it is was going on with Nengi, Dorothy, and also. So the housemates were just there. Even though I feel like at some point, the other girls who are obviously against Nengi, saying that they've been gossiping and saying a lot of things about her, they'll be happy that they did not pick her. But then again, there are other people who are like, oh, this thing is just somehow for Ozo to be professing love and declaring it in the open that Nengi is his love, and then he didn't pick her. But anyways, whatever they think is left for them. Let me know what you think that the people are going to be thinking right now. Let me know how you think that Nengi really and literally took it. Like, do you think that she was angry at the time that they mentioned it? How was her facial expression? How was her reaction to you? Do you think that she's cool? Please comment below, let us know. Moving on, immediately after this whole thing again, Ozo went, located Nengi, followed Nengi inside the room and started saying, oh, I'm sorry that I didn't pick you. I had to pick one. Nengi says, see, you don't have to be saying all these things. You don't have to tell me all these things. It's okay, it's fine. Was that trying insisting and telling her, please don't be angry? She said it's okay. She wanted to go. He said no, that he wants to talk to her, that she should wait. He wants to talk to her. She said it's okay. That she's not just happy that she was the one that didn't win. Like, why did she not win? She was close at some point. It wasn't like, no, that even if that he could have picked her. She said no, it's okay. According to Nengi, I like having my own success in my hands. Like, my success is in my own hands. I don't put it in other people's hands. So I'm not going to depend on one person to pick me as deputy for me to be safe. Don't worry, I'm not going anywhere. I'm going to be fine. I'm going to be in this house. So Nengi fans, she's making mouth. Oh, you guys should better support that mouth with your votes. Anyways, she was not telling Ozo that she's going to be fine. Ozo should not worry. Ozo was not like, okay, what about that massage? Oh, should I still massage you? She said, don't worry about massage. I'm okay. I'm fine. Don't worry. Leave me. She wants to go. He will hold her back again. Oh, let me massage it for you. She said, oh yeah, no, don't worry. She I didn't even want you to massage me since, but okay, no problem. I'll allow you massage. That is how they left her. They now showed where Neo was talking with Dorothy. I was telling Dorothy that Dorothy, now they've picked you. She'll be like, see, everybody go rest. She was not like, what's it now? Neo said, come on there. In fact, Neo was shy, insulting her jokingly, but they were like gisting and talking. Neo was telling her that I don't like the way you are going about this, you and Ozo thing. There's just this vibe and energy that you give to him, and it's because you just listen to people. You don't listen to him. You don't believe whatever he says. He said it. He has said it in the house that you're his favorite person. And if people are going to be friends, he's seeing you as a friend. I don't know why you are making it. Is it that you don't want to share him with Nengi, or what exactly is your problem? Because people are supposed to be cool. Ozo is supposed to be able to come and tell you that, oh, I like Nengi, and this is what is going on in me and Nengi's relationship or something, if that is what it is. So why are you angry that he's following Nengi or something like that? She was not like, no, she's not angry. He can follow anybody he wants to follow. She just doesn't like being in the middle. He said, which one is middle? That definitely, she was not saying, okay, wait, you and V now, definitely. I don't know if you have anything, but definitely people are always together, people are always in everybody's face, and you're going to be spending more time with V. He said, of course, yes, that's what is going to happen. She now said she feels like also he will just go and meet Nengi, and then when Nengi is not available again, that's when he comes to meet her. And she said she doesn't really like that, and that's what she's just trying to say, that Ozo should balance, that she's not saying anything else. Neo was telling her that that's not the vibe you are giving. You are giving the kind of vibe that, oh, you have feelings for him and that he should choose between you and Nengi. But that's not the picture. As we were talking, Ozo came, Neo was explaining everything and trying to tell them that they should keep calm, be cool, they should enjoy their friendship. Everybody understands their place in Ozo's life and everything, that everybody should be cool. Next thing Dorothy said is that, oh, that she just doesn't, that she's Ozo's friend and that she looks out for Ozo, and that she just doesn't like the way Nengi plays her game, that there's just how the game is, that at some point she and Nengi were cool, but the way Nengi is playing the game is just somehow, and that's why she's trying to tell Ozo that this. Neo said, but if Ozo has decided to see the choice and see the girl's game, and he still say he wants to be with her, it's his choice now. She said, it's his choice, so it's his choice to make. But in this whole thing, guys, me and you, we know that Dorothy likes Ozo some type of way. She's just using style and time to, you know, find herself in the reality, because that is actually the reality, my opinion. Let me know what your opinion is. Do you think that they are ever going to be a ship? Let me know what you think in the comment section. After this, they talked and Sha settled this whole part. Neo left. As Neo was leaving, also was following him. Dorothy was not like, where are you going? He said that he's coming. As he left, said that he went to look for Nengi again. Oh, Nengi, oh, you're cooking. He went to the kitchen now to miss Nengi. Oh, you're cooking. As he was doing, Nengi was just walking away from him. And Dorothy outrightly said it, that if Ozo had picked Nengi again today, that she was really going to be upset, because this is going to be the second time that he will be picking Nengi over her. So she was definitely going to be upset if he had not picked her. And now Nengi is saying that it is fine. She doesn't hold anything against Ozo. But we know that it is not fine. It's just that she really cannot do anything about it, really. So after that time, that's how Lucy came inside, thinking that she and Dorothy now they are something. She thinks that they are friends. I don't feel like if they put up Lucy this Sunday for eviction, Dorothy will still mention her name to leave, because, man, Lucy, you don't have a friend in the house. Anyways, moving on, that's how Lucy now came and said, oh, what's going on again now? Why is also going to talk to her again? What are they saying? I said, which one? Who's quarreling with you? What's the problem? Dorothy was not like, Ozo is just saying that, Neo is just saying that me and Ozo sees me like a sister kind of thing, and I understand what it is, because he has 3 sisters and he's the only boy, so he relates with me and connects with me more like sister. So that's what's going on. That's what we're just talking about. But me, I've said that I don't have any problem. Me, I'm unbothered, really unbothered. But my dear, you are not unbothered anything, dear. You are bothered. Hey, I just hope that disaster will not burst out from this whole thing. Because personally, I've not really seen or heard Dora and Ozo's conversation, like they have a conversation talking about life things, them personally, you know. I've not really seen them have that kind of conversation. Most of the conversations they have is always centered around Nengi. Oh, Nengi did this. Oh, this is what I'm going to do to Nengi. Oh, this is what I thought about Nengi. You know, always Nengi. So I feel like, what is their relationship based off of? Because if they are not bonding based on, oh, I know you, I've gotten to know some things about you, and I really enjoy conversations with you, then what exactly are you people bonding about? So I just feel like them being together in the HOH lounge is either going to make them closer, or it's going to give them the room to have these conversations that I'm talking about now, or it's going to even make them more apart. Because maybe Ozo will not be still feeling bad, you know, all through the week, and he will want to be running from his lounge and be coming to look for Nengi to, you know, make amends, to talk to her and all. Then Dorothy will still be angry that you kept me in this HOH room and then you keep leaving me and you're going to meet Nengi. I really don't know how everything is going to play out. But guys, let me know what you think. I hope you like this video, guys. If you like, please give it a thumbs up. If you get to subscribe to my channel, come on, I don't know what you're waiting for. Click that subscription button. Until next time, I'm going to see you on my next one. Bye!